I'm back again. I hope everyone is well and thank you for watching my videos. I'm just back with a quick show and tell. My sister, who lives in Sydney, has some really super beautiful embroideries, and she has scanned them and created some digital kits in her Etsy shop. So I've printed them all up on my high quality copy paper, and they are really gorgeous. I haven't seen such beautiful doilies before, and I can't wait to start using them. So I thought I'd just quickly show you. I don't know, what I did was, because I like to have them all in one file, I saved them all out of her folders into one file, so that way I can pick and choose which ones I want to print. I have printed them all out now to show you, but when you receive them in her file, you'll have them all separated. But so I don't know which kit, that's my point, is I don't know which kits each one belongs to. But I thought I'd just show them to you anyway, because there's heaps of them and I'm really excited to be able to use them. So I mean, they're totally different to my embroideries. And so what I've done is I've just printed them 2 to a page. Some of them are marked, some of them are very old. I've just printed them 2 to a page because it's a nice format, but obviously you could print them bigger or 4 to a page and use them in your journals for all different types of things. And in fact, even when they're printed 4 to a page and they're quite small, it's a really cool thing to decorate a page with as well. So, oh, these are just beautiful. Now, so a couple of them I printed bigger just to show you as well. I'll get to those at the end. And for example, this would be a lovely large, if you print, I printed it on the A4, I'll show you after, so it could be a page in the journal. But also, how beautiful are these embroideries that you could fussy cut them as well. So really cool. And as I said, I don't have embroideries like these, so I'm really excited to have hers. This one I just printed up as a full page. It's a lovely background and you can write on it, and it can just be a page in your journal. I mean, if any of you are tech savvy with Photoshop and things, you can even collage over the top of it and use it as a background. So that's really cool. And then I love these long ones because they can really decorate a page beautifully, and also you could fold them over and have half on one page, half on another page. And oh, that one's gorgeous. I haven't even looked at them properly. This is the first time I'm looking at my printouts. And some of them, like for example, this one is beautiful for a Christmas journal. I think that's really gorgeous. It's a bit like the Hungarian, Hungarian embroideries. And that's that beautiful applique. I think that its origin of that type of applique is Chinese. I'm not sure. But it's totally hand done, and you can see all of the stitches. Oh, it's not focusing. Let me just tap it and see. There you go. So you can see all the little stitches. And then I love this. That's just gorgeous. And then this chinoiserie sort of one. So pretty. And I love the background on that one. So different, just the white or the creamy sort of colours. And then gorgeous house scene parrot. That's beautiful. And that's a mix of cross stitch and regular embroidery. Oh my God. And this is one of my favourites. My sister is the queen of cute. She has so many cute things. It's incredible. So, and she loves all these with the ladies. Oh, and I love this one especially. So this is on a linen, and you can only just see the linen sort of, you can see it there in the background, but I mean, that would be lovely just to cut that out and put it in your journal. But it would also be a great embroidery to fussy cut around and decorate a page like in a corner or off to one side. I think that'd be gorgeous. So I'm actually going to play with these, and I'll probably video it. I don't know if I'll get it done today or later. And this is gorgeous. I've never seen a round doily with one of the ladies on them. And that's beautiful with the butterfly. And then I mean, these would be great printed as bigger pages as well. These sorts of, when they're like this sort of rectangle sort of shape. Oh, and I love this one as well. So you'll receive from Sarah the JPEG files, so you can actually play around with them as you like. Like if you want to lighten the colors, or I don't know, do something in Photoshop, you can do that, because You can enlarge, you can reduce, whatever you like, because with the JPEGs it's easy. Oh, and this is so pretty with the pink border around it. And then look at the birds. Love those birds. And again, they could be fussy cut. You could print them bigger and fussy cut them. And I can see that the linen was quite marked. It must be quite old. But Sarah's been collecting these sorts of things for a really long time, so she has quite a nice collection. Another one of those appliques, and then this is a gorgeous embroidery here. Very colourful. Oh, and this one, I think this would be great. Both of these would be really nice in Christmas journals as well. I think I might. I'm going to keep some of them, and I'm going to make myself a Christmas journal, because the other exciting news is that Sarah is 90% likely to be coming here for Christmas, and she's actually making her first journal. I love that. I love the blue and white. She's actually making her first journal, and she's going to use it. She's making one for herself, and look at this one, and her son, and they are possibly coming for Christmas, so we'll be doing lots of fun videos, I hope. Yeah, while she's here. So how cool are these? That would be beautiful, printed larger and as a page too, because you can cut around and have a really nice border, bordered sort of page too. And then these here as well. She's got 5 kits available. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That might have been a hanky or something, but look at that embroidery. It's so pretty with that little piece of lace and these gorgeous birds here. And looks a little bit Mexican to me, that one. And this pretty bird, nearly done. There's quite a lot here. Gorgeous scene. And I think this is the last one of those. There. And then she's also done one with some beautiful laces. She scored some amazing, a whole collection from this really well-known shop in Berrima that closed down, and she got boxes and boxes of laces and beautiful antique laces that some of them we wouldn't even cut up. So what I did, she has the JPEG file. I just went in InDesign and put all of the trims on a page. There's 2, so that's all the trims you'll get in it. Really gorgeous. I mean, you can see how well they print out here. And they're lovely to use as borders, and the wider ones you can use as tuck spots as well. So these are printed on cardstock. It's only 160 GSM, or is that what it's called? Cardstock, but it's a little bit stiffer, so that way I can use them as borders. And then here's a couple that I printed bigger. Just so, I mean, that just makes really gorgeous page in your journal. You have an instantly decorated page where you can stick a photo and do some writing on it. Same with this one. And I think I'm going to cut down here and have that nice border. That'll just be straight up there, and that's just going to be another, I might even fold it that way and have another pretty page. And I love this one. That's gorgeous. And there's plenty of space there to write. So if you can see it folded like that, or over here, and you can stick a photograph, or it's just gorgeous. Thanks, Sass. And then, as I said, these, I would love to even fussy cut some of those out, and then you can keep that little bit and stick it in your journal. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And look at that as a page as well. I mean, I haven't trimmed off the borders yet, but just beautiful. And we like the stains. The stains are good. They're telling us it's old. Oh, and here it's just, I accidentally printed them on just the regular 120 or 110, I think it is, the high quality paper. But you know, you use it like washi tape. So yeah, so that's what I just wanted to show you quickly. I will put links below to all of her kits. And they are really great value for money because they are so gorgeous. And they can really add that special touch to your journals without too much effort. So thank you for watching, and thank you for all of your wonderful comments, and thank you to my subscribers. And I am just finishing up some more little, I'll show you. They're not quite finished yet, of these. The Christmas with the bag. journals. So I'll finish those up and I may video those today. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.